BAM! So this is the boy Montibon again. Karon adto mi sa mga Franciscan sisters nga naa sa Consolation. And that's my agenda for today kay akong kuyog akong campus ministry quad. Guys, kami sa terminal karon kay vlog for good. So padaw namin sa naghuwat pa mi ni Kuis karon. Nayabag na. Mao patoy pag video na mo atong katong ningon mi nga nami sa terminal. Then karon nawagtang ko yung kwarta. Ang among suspect kay katong mga bata nga nasa likod. Sa mga sulti ko Isra.
I'm handsome.
Sila ina nakabala ka sila kay God will find a way. Sagot na lang ni Kuya Journey update ni Rosel. Huwag ni Kuya Isra. Ken is on the house. John is on the house. We are now here at Consolation. Guys, so nakaabot namin sa Ave Maria Franciscan Sisters and we're waiting for the others kaya pa sila naabot.
Ako dito, wala ko na.
As I bow my head
human sa amo prayers.
Ave Maria, Ave Maria.
Kasi kang ano eh. Hulo eh, GB eh.
Took some photos here. Minsan yung masulti diri sa lugar.
Nindot kaayo. As in, nindot kayo. Peaceful.
Kaya food ng sister.
Diyo ni hinungdan sa mong pag-anhi yun. Daghan kayong pagkaon dihatan. Ave Maria. Santo, panalangin niya din ang Panginoon sa pagadawaton, sa imong kamang gihatagon. Panalangin ni kami din mo ang ani ang dinhi, panalangin ni usab kin community sa mga madre sa Franciscan sisters. Mga Ginoo, kung kinang pagkaon kami itubang kahatag sa kabaskog sa among lawas aron makabadayon kami pagpangalaga diha kanimo. Panalangin ni Ginoo tag sa kapamilya nga habilin sa among panimalay. Pag ginaot Ginoo, pinaagi sa pangaliya sa mahal nga Birhen Maria, magpabilin kami magmalig-on, magmakusganon, sa mga pagsulay sa aming kinabuhi. Bisag sa imong hitabo, magpabilin ng tabid sa sabakan sa inyong hanya-inahan. Paghinta na pangagi ni Kristo ang Ginoo, sa ngalan sa Amahan, sa Anak, sa Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Hey guys, so nahumanamig kaon. He who is mighty has done great things, and holy is his name. Thus I kneel before you, as I bow my head in prayer. Take this day, make it yours, and fill me with your love. Ave Maria, gratia plena, Dominus tecum, benedicta tu. All I have I give you, every dream and wish are yours. Mother of God, Mother of mine, present them to my Lord. Ave Maria, gratia plena, Dominus tecum, benedicta tu. As I kneel before you, as I see your smiling face, every thought, every word is lost in your embrace. Ave Maria, gratia plena, Dominus tecum, benedicta tu, benedicta tu. Nice.
Ito mo sa. Are you going to spend your whole life wondering, just wondering? Are you going to spend your whole life existing, just existing? All at the time, pass and live, life is there to believe, and to live is to love, is to love. See the people who need your love, See the people who want your love, be on your feet, don't just exist. Love and leave. Where are you going? Balik ka man, Are you going to spend your whole life wondering, just wondering? Are you going to spend your whole
Ito sa kay ako sa
so cool, dude?
Kadong nami uli manami sa among travel diri sa Ave Maria.
No man can live as an island, journeying through life alone. Since we're most loved by a mother, Jesus gave us his own. Be with us, Mary, along the way. Guide every step we take. Lead us to Jesus, your loving Son. Come with us, Mary, come.
Hey guys, bam! So yeah, this is the boy MNTBN signing off to this vlog that I made, and yeah, it's the boys adventures episode 2, and I'm sure that you have fun in this video, and smash the like button and subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of things to do pa. And I am so thankful that we visited the Franciscan Sisters in Saksak Consolacion, which is really amazing because they are very, very amazing. I wish we can go back there with my CMO squad again, and yeah.